Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone guys, internet setting guys, how to reset. Guys, you want to reset your internet settings, so then you can reset. And friends, now let's see how to reset internet setting in a Redmi phone. Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, you want to reset your internet setting, you can reset. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting to reset our internet setting guys. Then guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Redmi phone. So man, how can you reset your internet setting? Guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your more setting guys. Tap here. Guys, click on the network setting reset guys. Tap here guys. You can see reset setting guys. Tap here and OK option. Guys, setting has been reset means guys your internet setting has been reset. Guys, you can use your internet setting without any problem guys. So like that guys, you want to reset your internet setting, you can reset in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet a nice video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video. Bye guys.